Hey, what's up? I don't even know if the live stream works, so to be honest, just put a thumbs up in the chat so I can know that it works, you know? Because I have no clue if that works right now. And my music's a little bit loud. Hey, what's up, guys? So you guys can see my screen, right? It's like kind of testing a little bit actually. Hey, what's up from India? Nice, nice, nice. All right, cool. So if that works, that's great. I don't know why, but I cannot see like the stats or anything like that for some reason. Select stream. Oh. Oh, I see now. 18 people. Perfect. All right. So now we're pretty much set. Damn, it's been a while, right? It's been a while. It's been a while. So I'll put this right here. So you guys can see my screen, right? Everything is fine. Everything is clear. It's not blurry. It's not ugly. It's not weird. That's perfect. Amazing. Okay, I like the new like function from OBS. I think it's great because that's the first time I kind of test this. So like mm, just one second. I'm just like setting up real quick. I try to put like Discord in the back as well, so I can like look at your message as well in Discord. Share your setup. And there's no noise, right? Like you can hear me pretty clearly, right? Hopefully. So, yeah, I'm already done for the day actually, guys. But I took like a small NQ trade today, a little bit earlier on, and that was pretty cool. So right now I'm kind of looking at Euro USD. It's been a while that I haven't like traded the Euro USD. I mean, probably last week. You know, this week I'm more a little bit future on future, so like no issues. Everything is perfect. Do you think London might consolidate since we range in Asia? Uh, yeah, we're in the middle of the equilibrium of the previous daily range right now, right? But I'll go like and do like a top-down analysis on how I kind of like see that stuff. So right now, one sec, my new AirPod are just like charging, so I try to switch for that real quick. Because they're noise canceling, so I really like that. Alright, perfect. Otherwise I can hear my fans and stuff, like it's just annoying, right? Those are all necessaries, noise. Alright, so where are you guys coming from? Like, we have some people from Asia, we have some people from India. That's nice, man. That's very cool. I think it's like, it's more like London right now, Europe time, right? So like, it's more that side of the planet that has people, you know. Alright, so let me just copy the link right here. I'll post the link in the bootcamp as well, so I want people to look at this. Alright, quick chat right here. There. All right, so let's break that down right here. I'll just remove everything, right? All the indicator, all the tools. And basically, the truth is I have all my other screen, so I can see everything, the rest, you know. But I'll go over everything, right? So that's the last day of the month, right? You guys gotta keep that in mind. Uh, I was about to say, so let's go on a monthly chart. I used to have like those things like, you know, I want to see that's the last day, right? So I want to see if there's like okay, so we rated the previous monthly high, right? Small inefficiencies, buy side right here, sell side taken. Okay, so this high pretty much, yeah, that's the last day, right? Right now, what's the price? So the opening price is 166.1. The high is 108.951. The low 106.94. And the closing price right now is 1.08200. All right, all right. So we took the buy side right here on the monthly chart. Let me just put this back right here. We have some people from Lebanon. We have some people from Pakistan. We have some people from Mars. That's amazing. People's from Europe. People's from Georgia. That's pretty cool, man. So many people, like that's the beauty like of internet, right? You can connect with so many people. So this was the buy side, right? Above the previous monthly high. We basically rated that. We're gonna go deeper, like the specific day, the specific hour. We're gonna like break that down and see which time that occurs specifically, okay? Because this was a buy side price delivery above this previous monthly high. So like that's the distribution of the month, right? Like it's already done technically. So right now it's gonna be like, if in term of like monthly chart, right? And in term of monthly OHLC monthly candle, we're like in a uh close range, I would say. Basically we're like kind of like a thank god it's Friday, but on a, you know, on a monthly chart. So that's pretty much this. As you can see, we don't need to go. I mean, I'll identify this low right here because that's the monthly low. I'll be very extremely surprised that we break that down for like tomorrow, today, but you know. So let's go on a weekly chart. Um, Hope everybody's doing well, man. All right. So on the weekly chart, right, we engage buy side right here, which is this high right here. Look at the small divergence, right, that we have in terms of like, this is the monthly high. What I can do, I guess, I'll just like monthly high, previous as well. I'll just type previous monthly high. I'll put it on the right. I'll put it on the middle. So you see we break above the previous. What is this rate? Okay, so that was the high. That was the rate above the previous monthly high right here, okay? And here we fell to go above this high. Okay, so this high was the like the rate above the previous monthly high. We failed to go above that twice, right? And even like they rated like this high right here specifically, like this previous weekly high, and that was this week, right? This week we go accumulate above the previous high of the previous weekly high, and now we deliver below the previous weekly low. Okay. So it's more like some price reading today, honestly, because, you know, it's the last day of the month. Like, I mean, if we get like a silver bullet or something that can be cool, that would be nice. But I don't know. Like, it's a lot of range right now, right? Like, we're close from a 500 level. Like, we're just ranging forever. So that's the, actually, like this week right here, right, is punch the previous weekly high, punch the previous weekly low in a small buy side inefficiencies, right? And basically right now we're just like, they're just buying the discount or raise right here. So like, let's go down on the daily, right? Oh, damn, I need the reset up because I have like 8 screen, right? So I can see all of this on like all the time frame that I want, right? So just to keep track, right? I'll just like, let's go back on the weekly. This is week. I just want to add some annotation, right? So previous week high. So I used to do previous weekly high, PWH, center, middle. Okay. Maybe not middle. I don't know. I never like. Okay, right side. There we go. So previous weekly high, previous monthly high. So previous monthly high, right? So we're kind of break that down everything right now. So like this is the first week of the month, is it? Yeah, that's the first week of the month basically. That rated immediately the previous monthly high. That's very interesting. So the second week was this, right? No, this was actually the first week. Okay. Second week, okay. Activate buy side. Basically, that's their third week, and the last week, that's this week, right? So this low right here, we're gonna type PW low. Okay, there we go. So we have all of this annotation right now, right? On the weekly, we can, I guess, yeah, we can identify this actual weekly high. Okay, actual weekly high, and basically actual weekly low, just to keep track of the structure. Okay, you guys gonna understand more what I go on lower time frame, basically, right? So let's go on a daily, because I want to break that down. Okay. Here I'll just add the OHLC because I'd like to see the weekly range as well, right? Weekly, I'll put like 4 weeks because we're in the last week, right? This I'll not use it. I'll remove the tab. There we go. So like, you guys see all of those range. They're all week. So like, this is a weekly profile. This is a weekly profile. This is a weekly profile. And then, you know, you can see everything basically. And if like, let's say I copy this and I paste it again and I change this for the monthly chart, right? You see, I can see the previous month. So like right now, I literally see everything, right? But it's great to do it manually as well because you can like, you know, you can like break that down and just like go more further and just like deep dive basically. Hope you guys are still there. I have like no chat right now. I guess we're just listening. I guess it's great. Uh, what I'd like to see right now is the power of 3 from the... Yeah, I'll just keep it like that. I wanted to see like this actual week, so I'll just use the power of 3. I'll use this one for today because I just want to see the candlesticks from the week. All right, so now we're seeing everything, right? It's not a big week actually, right? Like that's the week actually. Like those bucks right here, right? They're the previous week. So like this range right here, right? That's the previous week. If we go down and we break that down a little bit more, right? This was Monday, okay? Monday we activated buy side right here. 3 of those previous high. Closed the little gap, right? Rated the previous weekly high. Create that daily candlesticks, right? Drop, deliver the price below this relative equal low, and a small buy side inefficiencies, okay? Like this right here, okay? Like we basically drop below this. Okay, so we took this opening price value right here, retarget this inefficiency, sell side inefficiencies, right? And this is where we're gonna break that down a little bit more. We tap into previous week equilibrium right here, 50% premium above, right? And right now we're like kind of sitting in the close range. So like this is the actual daily range, right? So if you look at previous daily range, right? The previous daily range was a bullish candlesticks, right? So if you get, right, this range specifically, right, we go in discount right here and we reject the discount. But I want to go in lower time frame and see what kind of structure that we have on the previous daily range. Okay. And I want to see what kind of rejection that we have on the top right here. Because in my opinion, we're bullish right now. So if we're bullish, we're going to look some sort of discount raise to go higher. Okay. More likes, guys. Appreciate kind of. Yeah, if you can like the stream, that can be good. That can be cool. Appreciate you guys. So let's go on a 4 hour, right? Yeah, you see on the 4 hour, right? this run right here, right? That was inside the previous daily, range. That's the weekly right here. So right now we're kind of closing this gap right here, right? And we close this bullish fair value gap, BCs, right? We inside that small rejection block right in a 4 hour. Okay. Touch C of this, react immediately on a 100 level, 150 level, 200 level. Okay, so that's very interesting to me. So I can remove, I mean, as you can see right now, right, the weekly candle is bearish. But I don't really want to short this, okay? But I need to investigate more because this is an obvious drop, but I kind of like the reaction that we got in discount, okay? In discount of the previous daily range, right? So if we put the FX4 model on top of that and we go on the 60-minute, okay, it should show right now pretty quickly. There we go. So that green box that you see right there, right, that's the I guess I'll just remove those because they're a little bit distracting. Okay. And this one I can remove it probably, right? This is the previous daily range, right? Okay, I'll close this. Previous daily range was a bullish order flow, right? Because we open at this value, drop, break above the high, right? So neutralize, sell side, basically displays above all of those high, right above this high, because this specific high right here was when it dropped, right? Like it was packed with liquidity. So like we let go for that basically, right? Create the high of the day, close at normal OHLC, right? Like normal profile, classic days, basically normal stuff. You're Bangladesh, that's cool, that's cool. And basically right now, right, that's the 9-hour range from the FX4 model right here, okay? So we rated the discount level from the previous daily range. We rated this 1-hour discount arrays. Okay, this small rejection block right here, do we tap into? I guess no. Yeah, we tap into that rejection block on the... Okay, so I'll just gonna put a gray box, I guess, to keep it like a little bit smooth for the eyes. So this was a previous rejection, bullish rejection. We tap into this low of this 1 hour right here, right? Because this low specifically here, when we go above and take this high, we kind of like activating buy side. So like all of those lows, they are, price delivery. Okay, cool. We're in the sell side imbalance on the 1 hour right here, right? That's the CBs. Yeah. So I'll put this red, light red, I guess. There we go. So it's like we can use this fair value gap here as an inversion. If we break above it, like nice displacement. Because this is just a 1 hour, right? So right now it's 3 a.m. We open at equilibrium of the 9-hour range, which means the since the open of the daily candle to the 2 a.m., right? So yeah, I'm kind of bullish. I'd like to rate this high right here. But at the same time, we're like literally in the middle of the range. Okay. 250 right here level. Rejection 1, 2. In a sell side imbalance. Yeah, I need like more information. I need more data to come in. Okay, because right now it's not something that I really like. Just gonna remove this because I wanna keep it clean. But obviously, like if we go on the daily, right, I would like to see that actual daily candle, how it looks like. So this is the actual daily candle. That's a bearish candle, and as you can see, right, this is all basically the power of 3 sequence, right? Like from the open drop, you know. And basically, I'd like to see some sort of like continuation higher following that previous daily order flow, basically. But there's a small gap right here. It's a small bullish periodic gap, but it's not closed yet. But if we go on lower time frame, we probably can see, right? Let's go to 15 minute. 15 minute, there's a nice BCs, but yeah, it's not confirmed yet, right? If we take this low to this right here, that's pretty interesting. Like if you take this right here to that, extend this, look at how the price reacted those level specifically. So right now there's this bullish gap right here that can be interesting to buy, but I'd like some sort of sell side, you know what I mean? Like previous 1 hour low, something below this. So it's hard to take a decision right now because you know it's first of all it's Friday, okay, and secondly it's the last day of the month, so it's like, you know, that's why I said I'm kind of done, but I'm down to take a trade with you guys. You know. Why are you not trading forex anymore? I still trade forex. I trade both, to be honest. I really like future because it's more, the spread is better, you know, execution is faster. Uh, the move are like more volatile a little bit, but I prefer the PDA race from the Euro USD because they respond a little bit better, in my opinion. So let's say a previous 1 hour low, right, on FX on the Euro USD is gonna respond better than a previous low on NQ, let's say, you know. It's just normal, right? Like it's not the same. We talk about billions of dollar on Euro USD, so you know it's a little bit different. So do you guys take any trade today? Like, do we have some traders in the room? Like, or just like window shopper maybe? London reversal on Euro has been good past 3 weeks. That's amazing, man. Hasn't been good. Oh, he's saying this that was not good. Interesting. I mean, it was good for me, so I don't know. Like maybe you need to align yourself a little bit more with the higher time frame order flow. You know, like it's extremely important. Like because like we have the framework, right, to have a clear definition or a clear vision on lower time frame. But if you don't align yourself with higher time frame narrative, you can get caught, right? So you gotta be a little bit more open for that. So we have this closed right here in 6 minutes. So I'll see that like we're gonna have like, and that's technically gonna be our first 15 minutes of the hour, right? We're inside that small, like if we refine a little bit more, we're inside of this right here. I reject this one to create a lower high. So we gotta keep that in mind, right? Like it's not done yet. Like unless you have like 200 pip stop, you can buy right here, right there. You know, but it's just, I just like precision, you know. Also like the risk reward, so we in a manipulation phase of that 15 right there, you know. But overall still in a 1 hour accumulation. 1 hour too, yeah. So just relax right now, to be honest. I like to speak with you guys if you guys like seen some stuff or whatever. Like about the 15 minute 23:15 FVGs. 11 23:15. Oh, nice. You buy this. That's amazing, man. Like if you like, I would probably take some partial because we're in premium of that 9 hour range. Like we're in a premium of the actual daily range, right? So we gotta keep in mind. Um, that would be sad to give back your profit. You know, if you like. I mean, it depends. I mean, you know, there's always like hot sauce in the 1 hour. You see, I'm not surprised. Yeah, I can see it on my other screen. Yeah, yeah. It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful. So it's gonna be a pretty relaxed stream. I want like to uh reinvigorate it a little bit on a stream, you know, because it's been a while I haven't streamed yet. So I mean on YouTube, right, in public. So like, hope you guys enjoy. If you wants to push the likes button, you know, that's the only cost, right? We can use this as an inverted too, an inversion as well. So I can, but it's not done yet, right? But I'd like to maybe use this as an inversion. But right now it's not, you know, nothing. So I'll keep it red for now, if you don't mind. Small size, I'm ready for dip to buy more. Okay, I mean, it's always a matter of circumstance, right? Like today, it's like a Friday. It's the last basically day of the month, right? So like, what I did on NQ basically, right, is I basically short below the previous weekly low because there's a buy side inefficiencies right there, and I was aiming for 18,500, which is like almost the C of that gap, you know, that buy side inefficiency. So I was just buy side yeah, that buy side imbalance at 18,500. So I was like selling this. That was great, you know. You trade in Q in forex or in future? I trade in Q in future on Top Step. Top Step, they have great deal right now. You know, you can have like 5 accounts for like $20 each or whatever, and you basically you can copy trade. So that's what I like. So let me see the 5 minute close right there. See, we have two candle creating lower high, but we didn't break below this low. So this candle here is inside the previous 5 minute range. So they're just engineering right now. Nothing else to say, right? We reject 250. Like, that's something I don't like personally for a buyer. This little fair value gap right here, I can keep in mind. Okay, I'll keep it in mind. That's a fair value gap. I'll put it green. It's buy side fair value gap. Drop below this low right here. Small sell side taken here. Right, activating sell side, redistribute above the high. Beautiful, man. Midnight open right here. You know, wave around. Small fair value gap right here. Right. Right. It's all random stuff, you know, like it's literally just funny stuff, right? It's not a big run, to be honest. Like on the open, that usually the sound is low. Is the sound low? Because I'm clipping almost in the red, so I guess I'm pretty okay. If you talk about the music, like it's you're not supposed to hear the music because I muted it. Is it can we get some confirmation? I just want to make sure the stream is still okay, right? Sound is good? Alright, cool. A 1 hour bullish hot sauce? Yeah, right? Let's put it on the screen if you guys wants to see that. HS. So the hot sauce model you can get access for free on my website. That's a tool collaboration with 2 degrees. Very, very cool tool. It's very simple logic. I kind of like created a YouTube series about it. You see, that's this right here. So like if I hide the drawing, okay. You see, that's the hot cells right here in the 1 hour. Very cool. We're entering this fair value gap right here, right? We're already buying the low, right? Anyways, I'm still gonna wait. Like, I want to see this 5-minute close. I guess I was about to stretch this box, but I cannot, right? Yeah, let's see what kind of like formation that we can get on the 5-minute around this buy side inefficiencies right here. Okay, this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiencies, basically. Because I'd like to see some sort of like drop, right? Oh shit, what the fuck is that? That's like spaghetti man. Okay, drop right here, right? Didn't close the gap. I like to keep that fair value gap open as possible, right? To prove that they don't need like to go super deep. Basically, go a little bit higher like that, create a high, and the next 15 minute, right? Wait for that retracement. Maybe we can get on the 1 minute bullish fair value gap and go above this and retake this high, and that can be the trade immediately right there. You know, they'll give you like 5 pips. It's not crazy, but this high right here, that's the high that I was like looking for basically. Why this one? Because we drop, right? Like, and we basically this high is like heavy, right? This one already been purged right there, right? So like this one is the next one, obviously. So I'll put this as a buy side right here. Oh, my other screen just closed right there. Shake the mouse a little bit. So buy side right here. There we go. So I can remove this, but you know a little bit the idea I have in mind. You see right here, we rated that relative equal low, right? But it's not closed yet, right? But look at the small relative equal low Torus soup this low. Small rejection block right here, right? I guess I'll just put this white. Does it looks cool? Yeah, it looks cool, right? Let's see what kind of like close that we can get on the 5 here. I'm not going on the 1 minute yet. I because it's gonna give me a false signal, right? And I wanna put myself in that position. We're still in the beginning of the hour as well, right? So keep in mind. Use an SMT with the XY. Yes, I have all of this on my other screen. I have like a panel, a specific panel on my screen just for SMTs. I have so many screens. It's insane. It's because I like to monitor everything. You know, it's just the way it is. Like I have all the time frame right now. Like I have one screen with 5 minute, one screen with 15 minute, one screen with 1 hour, one screen on 4 hour, one screen on the daily, one screen on the weekly, one screen on the monthly, and I have all of those SMTs. And I also have a 49-inch on the side of my left side that I can see all my higher time frame order flow basically. So I'm kind of like trading for SpaceX, you know. I mean, you know, that's how we build rocket, right? Like we need some monitoring, right? Because otherwise, like there's something that can cook, right? So we break up of the previous 5-minute high. So we basically engage sell side above below this relative equal low, deliver price above this previous 5-minute high, and basically we have 10-minute left for the 30-minute close, which is the first 15-minute close. But I'm still waiting, okay? Because this is good. Like I mean, if it doesn't close this gap, that's cool. Good. You have a nice setup. Yeah, it's really good, man. Like people laugh at me, they say I'm a clown or whatever, but I'm laughing to them, to be honest with you, because I see so many things, right? But that's the thing, right? If you don't know what to look for, like you're immediately wrong, you know. Most of people they have a setup like that, they don't know what they're looking for. So that's extremely unfortunate. Because they just don't read, anything. It's like having a book in libraries and you don't need it, you don't read anything, right? So like it's just for the look, right? But I mean, for someone that sell garbage and shit, like I think it's great. You know what I mean? Like so. But I read all of those charts, personally. So we have this 1 hour hot sauce right here, right? This buy side here that got closed below this low right here at 2 a.m. 2:15. That was the first 15-minute close. This place above closed this gap. Return inside this hot sauce. Small consolidation. Expand again, right? Small consolidation above this high. So it's all good, man. We're just waiting right now. That was the CBs. We reject 250 level. Premium above. I still believe that we can go for wards 500 or something very closely. That previous daily high can be interesting. Yeah, previous daily high can be interesting because we grabbed like discount from the previous daily range, right? In this like imbalance. So that was great. Let's go back on the five. But I like that. That's the thing, right? If I take it, like I'm already done for the day, like I said. So, but I'll probably take a demo trade so we can like monitor, just like practice and paper trade or like just tape reading basically. You see that daily candle here? That's like above this specific high right here, right? Like the opening value 1.8322. That's a very interesting area. Are you selling? No, I'm I'm not doing anything. This video will be on YouTube. The watch again? Yeah, supposedly, yeah. Is VS Vlad? Is it Vlad? Probably right. 1.8, 590 is also a good target. 1.0, yeah. But you should start for at least the 9 hour range high, which is 1.8347. Like, let's say I was like hypothetically taking a buy right here. Like, if you take 11 pips with like a couple lots, you're pretty good, right? You don't need anything else. Because the truth is, when we engage this buy side here, it's possibly gonna return a little bit lower, right? So it's all again relative. So many gems, yeah. I mean, it's not bad, right? Like, do I want to buy right here? There's a price delivery right now on NQ. Mm-hmm. Drop below 2 a.m. open. Yeah, 2 a.m. low. Interesting. Definitely yapping. What does yapping mean? I'm sorry. I just like don't know. What does that mean? Is it like a 8 comments or whatever? Because I have some hater, right? Like right now, it is what it is, right? Uh, Allow me to ask which indicator is that allow to show daily candle and then whatever time frame you choose. So I have like two, right? I have this power of 3 from 2 degrees. So if you type 2 degrees on Twitter, you can find the guy. This one is a free tool, and also he has like the pro version that you can show multiple candle. Okay, I have it right here. So basically, if I hide this one, See, those are the 15-minute, like it's an assembly of 15-minute, and you can choose the amount of like higher time frame candle that you want to show. Basically, you can choose the time frame. Yeah, it's very highly customizable, I would say. You know, you can see like the separation line from 15-minute and all that stuff. It's really good stuff. And basically, I also have the OHLC, which is showing you basically right. Okay, so those are the higher time frame weekly, right? The monthly. So if we just zoom a little bit more, it's a lot of line right now because on the 5-minute, right? God damn it. Let's go back on the 1 hour. Okay. Oh, 1 hour. I'm not used because I don't need to change time frame usually, right? You see this box right here? Like this box right here? Basically, that's the previous month range with the high, with the equilibrium, with the low, right? Look how we rated the previous monthly high and drop, right? So that was a trade, immediate, like it's a good trade. And those right here, those green bucks, they're all the weekly candle. So that show you kind of like another dimension, basically, right? So it's pretty cool so far. Can show like the amount that you want, right? And basically, I just like you also have the FX4 hot sauce, which is a unique model for my, that's a model that I kind of developed, and also you can see SMTs and stuff, and it's a really cool indicator that you can use if you like, and if you like. This one is like more like a tool that give you some sort of ID, so that give you some IDs of trade that you can take based on what kind of like give you. But you can like on my YouTube there's like a playlist that explain this model specifically, and also gonna add more in the future. So let's go back on 15-minute. Why? Because we have 15-minute and 3-minute. 15-minute close and 3-minute. Let's recalibrate this. You see this one we don't even need anymore because we have this one right here. It's all about refinement, right? Like, let's say I'll remove this for now. This one has been like rated. It's clean, right? So see, there's 2 minutes left, and it's not the close that I really would like to see personally. We rated the previous high right here, right? So since we take the previous 15-minute high right here, it's possibly that it's returning for this low and with inefficient. So yeah. Let's go back on the 5-minute. Damn, those are what I haven't charged at all. Yeah, damn. The XY doesn't cooperate. GU is very bearish. A lot of gems for sure, man. That's great. I'm just being honest, right? Like, I just like to share what is like more real. That was the previous 15-minute high. Look at how we rated that. Look at this 5-minute close rejecting this. That's a new lower high form. We rated the previous 5-minute low. Now inside that small rejection right here, back to opening price. So like they're probably gonna deliver this on the last minute, right? It's 29. There's 40-second left, literally right there. We rated the low, right? Are we? Yeah, it's done. It's done. Right? So like so I can recalibrate this. Yeah, like I said, right? Like it's pretty rare that on the U they keep like a gap close, right? Now we're back to this 5-minute hot sauce right here. So like look, if I show you this, like go in a 5-minute, Okay, we have a bearish one, but we have this bullish right now, right here. Okay, so back to midnight open. So like, if you want to buy, technically that will be below midnight. That will be the best. So we have this sell side liquidity right here. Now let's see how it closed right here in the 5-minute. Okay. Like I said, right, if you don't take a partial here when it go up, right now you're kind of back 50% of like, of your like position. So like on EURUSD, I would say when you make 5 to 10 pips, like take that, because otherwise price is like, price is moving always, like in a wave, right? So like it's always keep in mind basically. Where's my power of 3? Right here. That's our 15-minute close, right? The previous 15-minute close. Look at how we engage the buy side right here. The lever inside this buy side inefficiency, buy side imbalance, and basically back to this opening range from 2 a.m. We're below midnight open, right? It's pretty scuff, right? So like now I kind of like want to see a nice 15-minute. Let me just remove those line. Uh, so those are like projection right here. There you go. Just like to have more clarity a little bit. Now we're inside this rejection right here. Okay. It's possibly that we can use this as a rejection block, but for now it's not closed, right? So we want to see this 5-minute close, which is also this 15-minute rejection. So now we're in C of this, and it doesn't mean it's gonna reverse right here, so you don't buy right now, right? Like, be following the rest, And I'm gonna be honest with you, like the real truth is that if the price is inside of this range, like this 9-hour range from the FX4 model, I usually don't trade. Okay, I'm waiting for a rate above or below, and then I look for a reversal 22 mentorship model. Okay, so I really like how they. Okay, so they rated the low, right? Perfect. Yeah, so they rated this low. That's a very strong reaction. Okay, so if you go into 1 minute, you clearly have some sort of like displacement. That's a massive rejection, right? Let's go back on a 5-minute. Otherwise, we're gonna take a trade, and I don't want to do that for now. So. Yeah, by the way, I'm trading demo, right? So like, because I'm already done for the weeks. But I think it's a great exercise, and also I think that's still a great opportunity to tape read. Because there's only 365 days in a week in a year, so like you must put a little bit of time every day, right? If you want to perform better in the future. So like this 5 minutes here, if I was like wanted to buy, I don't want to buy this 5 minute there. Like what's the point? Like it's not the best 5 minute, right? So we're still waiting. Okay, we're waiting. Damn, I don't have the soundboard of like the sound from ICT saying that. I need to put that on my stream deck. That would be so funny. So I have a couple audio clip from ICT that I like. We're waiting. So that's pretty much that right now. We're waiting, obviously. If we look at the XY, yeah, it's gonna be a lot of patience, man. Not gonna lie with you. We're already online for 50 minutes, but I think that was great stream, honestly. Like, if you really listen how I break down everything, you can learn so much stuff, you know. Higher time frame power of 3 Pro Plus, but yeah, that's exactly that. Yeah. I'll put one more candle. Okay. I guess I'll put one more. All right, now I have some sort of like I needed that 50-minute data here to see what's next, right? Like what I'm looking for basically. This 15-minute here like drop super aggressively and didn't like create the bottom wicks. This one right here rated the previous low. That's this right here, right? This place above that, that's a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower high, you know, lower low. Rated this high right here, right? So yeah, it's nothing crazy right now, right? We rated this low right. Look in the 15-minute, right? And even like if I take this low instead, let's say, this one I'm pretty sure, yeah. So this low right here from the 230, right? Like we rated below that. That's the 5-minute right now, kind of like moving. That's a new 5-minute, basically, right? So that previous 5-minute. Now I'd like to see a displacement above this previous 5-minute high. Okay, close above like a, you know, bullish outsows basically, and just like use this as an inversion for like, you know, going higher. But it's pretty rangy, man. God damn, it's extremely rangy. Also, really don't like this little grab right here. The fact that we didn't take this previous high is very interesting to me. So hope everybody's doing well, man. How was your week? Like maybe you guys can say in the chat. I'm just curious to know what kind of like week that you got. I'll maybe grab a glass of water so like, because basically we need to wait for this 5-minute to close, right? Because if we're still bearish here, it's very possible that we take those lows. So like, if you buy right here, like maybe you better just take, you know, what you got. Because it's not bullish right now, right? Sell side imbalance right here. BPR, you know, gotta be nice profitable week. That's great, man. Amazing, bro. Very, very happy for you. That's what we want to hear, right? That's great. Think about it. You only need to make $1 to be profitable, right? Only $1. It's not a big week, but you're still profitable, right? That's the truth. So sometimes we hear those people, you know, I'm not able to make money. It's because you're maybe too greedy, right? Maybe you want to make too much. And basically you risk too much and you lose too much and you're just not able to sustain, you know. So oh, there's 2% on my keyboard. Let me plug this real quick. I got a wireless keyboard. Mm. I will never change that. Wireless keyboard's too good. I really like it. If you type on Google, that's a KZZE. Maybe I can show you right here. KZZE keyboard. I'll literally show you what it is. That's exactly this one right here. That's a very cool keyboard, man. Looks like retro a little bit, right? Like, it's this keyboard right here. But like when I basically, because you know that's a nice keyboard. It's like it sounds like a. It's very puppy, right? It's like kind of like a bubble wrap when you type. You know, boop, boop, boop. It's pretty cool. Because you know we always in front of the screen, right, with keyboards and stuff. So I think like it's nice to have some sort of cool equipment. So you see that 5 minute right here closed as a doji candle, right? That's something that I like to see right here. That's the 5 minute I was talking about. We break above the high, immediately create a new. It's not closed yet, it's just open, right? But yeah, it's pretty interesting to me. Pretty interesting to me. Really interesting. Do we took this slow as well? I'm pretty sure we took this slow as well. This one specifically. Right. Relative equal low. What time is it? 2:25? That's the low from 2:25. This is pretty interesting right now to me. Okay. But do I want to buy on this 5 minute? No. I'm still waiting. Waiting. That's a really cool 15 minute, right? Look at this 15 minute right there. Okay. Swept all those lows right there in that small rejection block right here. So I'd like to use this as an inversion. So like right now I can put it on an inversion. Right. And basically wait for the next 5 minutes, the drop. Touch midnight maybe and buy this and retarget the high. So kind of like looking for this. So I guess I can set up my stuff. I don't even remember. I'll just take 1 million. 1, 2, 3. Maybe not. Let's go like that. All right, so let's go. That's a very nice push. God damn. God dang. Relax, dude. Relax, dude. They're buying the discount, baby. It's open store, man. Relax, dude. It's a marketplace. Give me a break. That's a very like if we talk in terms of elephant in the pool, that's a sick ass elephant in the pool right there. Look at this 5 minute, bro. We almost break above the previous three. It's insane, dude. That's a crazy push. Stop, you know. Relax, dude. Sheesh. God damn, dude. I guess that's all of you buying right there. What the fuck, dude? Do we have the market maker in my stream right now? What's going on, bro? Asia high? Yeah, that's what I'd like to see personally. I mean, I'd like to go for this high right here. This specific high, 1.8 to 81. That's, you know, that would be like something. I'd like to buy 50% of that previous 5 minute range. I'll give you how much? Give you like 8-9 pips. If I get like 8.5 and point, yeah, 8.5, I'll be happy with that, to be honest with you. This is very hot, like right now. Okay. The fact that we didn't take the previous high, I like that as well. So that 15 minute closed in 7 seconds, guys. Right? So what are we doing right now is we're going on a 1 minute chart, right? And we identify all the bullish fair value gap, all of them, including like all of them, okay? All of them, all of them. Oh, I don't know what's going on. There we go. All of them, okay? Are we buying that? Like, whoa, relax, wait a little bit. Okay, wait a little bit. Relax as well. Take this 15-minute range right here. Okay. Like to buy below 50%. If they want, right? Those market makers, they're hungry right now. Right? They're hungry. Yeah, that 1 minute right here, right there is gonna close. So look what I'm gonna do, right? I'll take 250. I'll buy one right here, okay? Stops below this low right here, okay? And I'd like to buy more if we go lower, but if we start pushing higher for the close of the hour, I'll just take that and that's it. It's not the end of the world, man. If I get that TP right here, 135, it's not bad at all. Okay, it's not bad at all. If it dropped for this low, I don't want to be in the trade anymore because it's not valid, right? Even if we drop below this fair value gap, I'll probably start collapsing a little bit my position below 75%, right? Like it's like unless we have a nice nice move or something, but yeah, overall I'm not forcing anything. So we basically use this as an inversion, right? You guys remember that? Right? So damn, right? Not bad. Zero drawdown, man. Right? I like your passion, enthusiastic. I mean, I'm just enjoying the process for myself. So like, no, I trade demo right now. I'm already done for the day, Brian, my brother. I'm already done for that. I trade future today. Um, so I'm just tape reading. I will not risk anything on my like it's Friday, it's the last day of the month, everything is aligned to be uh I just like to conserve my stats, at this point. But I think that's a great price reading. That's the thing, right? Like you gotta keep in mind that it doesn't really matter, right? If it's a demo or not. Like I personally don't need money, right? So like when you reach a point, basically you're kind of like just practicing the craft. You don't need to like, you see any buy in near future on NQ? I don't look at NQ right now. Okay, it's electronic trade hour. I'm just I'll probably look at NQ tomorrow on New York. I'd like to do a New York stream eventually. If you guys like subscribe to the channel, whatever, like I think it can be cool. I'll basically try to stream a little bit more on YouTube. Fix 4, I struggle with scalping with the 1 minute. Use the 5 minute, 15 minute, and 1 hour. That's gonna save you so much stuff. Right. We're about to enter in the 350 macro of the hour. Okay. Damn, I will really enjoy if we tap this fair value gap. A little bit of drawdown, but I'd like to buy this because look at the C of this fair value gap match perfectly the midnight open. So that will be nice. Just get a little discount below the low. Yeah, so moment trade, just right here, right? 5 minute, 15, 1 hour. That's her best thing. When you see something on the 5, now you can go in the 1 minute, unless you don't go there, because you're gonna be, you know, attracted. Push the button. So it's like 5 minutes. It's kind of like give you more time to think, you know, more time to read price, more time to execute. Because if you execute based on the 1 minute, you should go on lower time frame to execute. Because otherwise, you just like, can we get a better discount, Mr. Market Maker? Maybe a 50% tap on this inverted fair value gap, maybe. I can even refine my like if I like I'm not gonna do it, but let's say I can refine this on this one right here. This one. You know, but I don't really need to do that. So we have a 15-minute close and 8-minute 30 second. So what I'd like to go for is all those high right here, right? I don't want to go back for this low. It makes no sense, right? I want to go for all of those high right here, but I'm not forcing anything, right? I'm just open for that. I really like how every time we go in the discount of this fair value gap, we push through up, close above, right? Look at all the body close, right? Oh, it's very interesting to me. Fascinating almost, right? CL1 took a high. Oh, there's an FX4 model play right now in CL. That's interesting. We can look after. I'm in a trade right now, right? So like, we have this 15-minute close right there in a couple second, 40 second. So like, this is. Let's go back on the 5 minute. Look at this 5 minute right here. That's a very, very cool 5 minute. Not gonna lie with you. Okay, no, that 5 minute close in 2 minutes. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But I like the formation of that 15 right there. You know, it's pretty smooth. And I really like to go for all of those high right here. Okay. Let's take like if you take like those freaking curve line whatever, like you can, right, all of this stuff right here, right? So look at my entry, right? It was not bad, I guess. Damn, the spread is ugly on this thing. God damn it. Right. So 1 minute 20 second for that 5 minute close. We're technically on the last minute. 42 people. That's cool. That's cool. Like I said, right? If I have one person watching, I'm pretty happy, to be honest. I'm not a greedy person, right? I can have one person and I'll give him the best show he can get, right? Why not, you know? So the fact that we have 40 people, it's nice, you know. It's cool. Appreciate that. I mean, hopefully you guys learn something, right? Like it's in my opinion very interesting, you know. So like I've been trading for 8 years, right? Like so I've seen so many things happening, like couple scenario in my head, right? Like you feel me, like all right. So there's 13 seconds left on that 5 minute close. That's pretty sexy 5 minute, honestly, right? If we go back on the 60 second, 1 minute. I can I can remove this because otherwise it's a little bit annoying, right? Like those execution label, but technically, like, you know. All right, so that's the last 5 minutes of the hour. Okay. So it opened a drop, and that's what I like to see. Power of 3 formation. Let's go to 5 minutes. Yeah. I'm 33. Yeah, I'm 33 years old. So, you know. And I basically learned to trade the hard way, you know, like depositing money. And because when you deposit money, like, oh shit, right? It's not like a funded account that, like, oh, you know, all right, so let's manage this trade right there. 25,000. Okay, I'll take one partial above this high right here. So yeah, we buy, so we want to sell limit every time. I, like, you know, just want to make sure. Another 25,000, so now we still have a minus 50. Okay, and I'll go for C of this, another 25, and close everything, right? Yeah, pretty much that. I don't want to move the stop yet, okay, because it's still very early, okay. I like what this 15-minute offer us right now, to be honest. That's a great inversion, man, right there. I'll put it this purple, I guess, with like 40. I must keep watching. Can see on my other screen, that's the truth, but very good. Can we deliver above that? Because my order already placed. Cameron Cook, I love watching and listening to Real Trader. I have a problem getting impatient. Yeah, you must work on your psyche, my friend. It How many years it takes? 3 to 4 year, you know. Because at the beginning you do so much stupid shit, right? Those are the truth. Because you just don't know, right? And if I can technically not give an advice, but basically you must like trade paper trade, you know, like paper trade, or like demo, or like something that doesn't hurt your feeling, right? Because the more you hurt your feeling, the less you learn, right? So like you must learn and then learn, right? That's like it's important to keep, you know, the track of this. Most of people, they try to learn before learning, right? And that costs their entire career basically. So engage buy set above the previous 15-minute high, and there's a 55-second left on that hour close. So yeah, now we can see the 1 hour here. Okay, that's a pretty cool 1 hour close, to be honest. It's not closed yet, it's 30-second left, but we're very close, right? Look at this massive imbalance right here, right? That's what I was targeting basically. And I feel comfortable to keep my stop below this 1 hour low. The only thing I don't like personally, right, is the fact that this fair value gap on the 1 minute is still there. So like on the new open, it drop, take this midnight open and move again, because this new hour must do his things, right? So like I can average my cost a little bit if I take a buy below this low, if I can. I don't think I can. Like it looks like we'll see. That's why I'm still in the 5 minute, because I want to see more what's going on. That's a 5 minute close bearish, but it's still inside. I still like it personally. Like right now, I see this as liquidity pool. Better than this one, right? Like this is like all the people that try to short. Like they're putting their stop above this, right? And on the 15 minute, we have those two high, we have this high, we have this high, right? Those are the thing that I like. 2D, welcome to bootcamp, man. You joined the bootcamp, that's cool. There's more people joining the bootcamp recently. I think it's really cool to see. ICT student, you took the short. That's cool, man. That was his trade. Look at this, man. It's beautiful. That's a pretty badass entry. Go for the previous low right there. Boom, boom. Pretty cool. I think I'll start sharing some trade from people in the Discord. We're just with winners, man. Look at this. Beautiful, man. All right, we're pretty much there, guys, right now. Like, we're like, let me put this again. There we go, full screen. We can see better a little bit, right? So come on, we want the previous 15-minute high. That would be cool. This previous 15-minute high as well, right there. That small high right here. Deliver this, boom, boom, it to my order, to my bank account. Deliver my order, my friend. Because when you order on Amazon, right? Any tips when it comes to news? Trade the news after they happen. It's good tips, right? News equal manipulation, So you know, I don't take a news. I mean, okay, so I have some account that I trade the news, okay? But those account, if they're blown, that was my stuff, okay? So like, I don't risk my account I don't expose my account to news trading, okay? Basically. So I'm gonna trade after the fact, right? Which, depending the manipulation we get, whatever. And basically, I sometimes trade the news, but like I said, I have an account specifically for the news. Okay. So that account is specifically designed to be exploded in case if it explodes. But I already made some sort of crazy trade, like let's say risk 3,000 and make like 50K in like couple seconds. Those are like the nice trade. But it's a lot of experience. No, sorry, I was just eating something. So we have a new 5 minute open, right? Why don't you accept payment in crypto? I mean, if you send me an email, we can probably do something. But yeah, basically in the boot camp we're going crazy right now. You know, those are like nice lesson that you want, you know. It's literally just about reading price, you know. Like it's not no, I'm not reinventing any wheels, like it's all, you know, ICT already created everything, right? But I just like kind of show you another angle basically. So what I mean is like you don't really learn anything because if you really did your stuff, you know, your lesson, I mean like you already know everything, but yeah, first TP taken, that's great. Why this things is still there? What the fuck, dude? That's weird. Look at this, it's still there for some reason. Yeah, I guess I'll just remove it. Oh, I guess that was this high right here, right? Yeah, okay, I'll put it back. I cannot. Anyways. Now we can reduce the risk considerably, like this low, let's say, right? So we risk $49 to make 121. Also, bank already like at 20, $30, right? So, damn, that position has zero drawdown, right? Not bad. It's market maker buy model, right? First stage, second stage, you know, smart money reversal. So, horizontal consolidation, right? Distribution, right? Accumulation, 1, 2. So we're basically going back to this opening range. This right here. Ah, damn, that must be random, right? Yeah, damn, that must be random, right? But it's pretty much that, right? So, mm, so I'll close one more right here because that was my previous, right? It's gonna 1 minute. Now we can micro manage this, okay? You have this little high right here. There we go. 4-9 is 1 minute left, right? I'd like to see those be in respect. I'll take one more right here. Okay. And to be honest with you right now, I mean, yeah, damn it, right? It's nothing, right? If I was in the future, I will probably put my stop to break even because right now, if it drop like a couple points, it's gonna stop me out. For so it's crazy, right? That's like the big difference, right? In the future in forex, like you kind of like getting. It's just like a terrible. Here we go, another one. That's cool. Are they fill or what? I don't think they're filling, right? So, I mean, they're selling, but they're still there. I don't know what's going on. It's weird. It's pretty weird. When a 1 hour candle closed with that big wick near a fat previous wick. You expect the next hour to trade into the wick, or you consider the wick? I'll use the previous 1 hour range, high and lows, and it established my 50% range. Now, if we break below this 1 hour minute low, like that's the last 5 minutes, right, of this 15-minute close. So that would be cool if we hit the TP immediately. There's like no real reason to go back down for now. Yeah, there's this bullish imbalance, but yeah, I'll take one more here. Okay, just to limit like the loss. So like if we take a loss, let's say in the next, we kind of like mitigated the loss, right? We're reducing the risk, but keep the original stops, basically. To the moon. I mean, that's not bad, right? I was like, if you guys like listen to stream again, you can learn so much, so much. I'll take one more here. I guess this thing doesn't work, right? You missed my question. How long did you learn ICT concept before you became? Minimum 2 years. Minimum 2 years, because there's like so many things to study, right? That's the truth. Like ICT is producing so many things, and there's so many things to learn, you know. So like, if he wants to go for my TP, that would be cool, right? Go back on the five. Let's go back on 5 minutes so we can enjoy the show. Come on, baby girl. Small inefficiencies right here, so yeah, it's pretty possible that this guy's getting destroyed. There we go. Come on, show me your muscle. I'm almost tempted to close it manually because the spread is so ugly, man. God damn. No, I'll let it go. I'll let it go. Come on, come on, come on. It's pretty crazy. Does it close the trade or does this bug, whatever? Yeah, I think it's bugged, man. God damn. Alright, I'll just close the trade right there. So that was the trade, boys and girls. If you have some girls here, I don't know, but so yeah, this one I can remove it. So that was the trade, pretty much, right? Just adjust the lipsticks a little bit. So that was this, right? What was your long confirmation? I would say just re-listen the stream. I literally explain everything second per second, right? So you can like rewatch everything. It's, you know, you're gonna learn so much stuff, man. Like, because I literally break down the trade in real time, right? Like entirely, like from A to Z. So like there's no excuse. There's no weird excuse of like saying, oh, you know, like market is weird or the market is the market, you know. So like I take the trade based on what I see with time and basically, you know, break that down. Which indicator you use? I mean, I have a bunch, yeah. Those are the things I kind of break down as well in the stream. UHLC, I've been go through that. The FX4 model, I've been go that. The higher time frame power of 3, I've been through that as well. ICT time box. This is pretty cool tool. Like it shows like all the macros of a bullet. This is on my website. Is entirely free. You can like put it on your chart and that's it. Enjoy. You know, it's pretty cool. This is the new tool from the bootcamp, right? That's an overlay high trainer, so you basically can choose which time to which time, and it shows you candlesticks with different color. So let's say we take from 2 a.m. Okay, well, let's take like from 2 a.m. The 3 a.m. Okay. And we press OK. And it doesn't work. Oh, it's because it's showed. 2 to 3. Why it's not working for some reason? Why? Do I need to do this? What the f? No, it's supposed to work. I don't know what happened. I think the tool is. Oh, I don't know. It's like I literally click everywhere right now for some reason. But I don't know why I need to look at. For some reason, it's not showing. I don't know what happened. So let me take a screenshot real quick of this, because this is like the trade from today, right? And I think I'll close the stream after. Well, that's pretty much that, right? I'll keep this little bit of lipsticks, you know. That was your smart money reversal right here, right? BPR, right? OT, you know, 22 mentorship basically, right? Pretty clean, right? That was clean. Can I put back the label? Do I put the label or what? Because I'll clearly journal this trade as well, you know, like. All right, so let's take Control S. There we go. All right, cool. So that was the trade, guys. Hope you enjoyed the stream. And like I said, I'll probably do more of those because I enjoy that. You know, like I just like to jabbling around and just like you know, have fun. You know, basically, and help people contribute a better world. So like, try to improve. You know. You consider smart reversal in kill zone? Yeah, those are nice, right? Like the more thing that you can stack, right, in terms of like confluences or like in terms of confirmation or like stuff like that, you can please do more. I mean, you know, that was not bad. I used to do like more of those, but I'm very busy as well with the boot camp right now, so like creating new stuff and like a lot of lessons and stuff. So like, if you guys wants to learn more, you know, there's always more to learn. You know, there's always something to learn, and it's also just $20, right? I just charge $20. Like the only reason I charge $20 for the boot camp is because I want people to be serious. You know, so like if you're not able to pay $20, it's because you're not serious. You know, like everybody can afford $20. So like, I just want someone serious. You know, so like if you're not, you know what I mean. So been streaming long, man. Been along since I saw you in Mentor Twitter space. Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while. But I'm still active on my Discord. If you have like if you guys wants to join the Discord, um like you can go on my website. There's like the Discord button right here, you know. And I have all my indicator basically. This is just it's just the tools basically, you know, the FX4 model is a free tool, you know, like it just like give you a framework, automated framework, and it's free basically. And basically the narrator, the OHLC I was talking about, you know, the hot sauce model that is free. The OT, we have a free version on it daily, and we also have the premium version of this tool, which you can like choose the time frame that you want and all that stuff. So really good stuff. The time box is like a macro box. Recently ICT announced that there's a macro every hours, but this tool was like having those hourly macro before basically he announced it. Look, so there's all the macro of the day, basically the 24-hour range, and also split in two bucks. So like instead of like having a big box of 20 minutes, it give you 2 bucks of 10 minutes each. So like you can see the divergence, you can see the swap of the hour. So like it's, if you zoom in like a second chart, like you can see some good stuff. And it's also free basically. And the boot camp basically right here, right? For some reason the button doesn't work. I need to look at the boot camp, like I said, is 20 bucks a month, but also it give you like a free tool. And there's a lot of lessons, a lot of good stuff, like good reviews. So you guys are welcome, but you can join the Discord here on the bottom right there, right? I need to update this. Been 8 years now, so. Oh, first 5 minute close bearish, right? So like some sort of like partial or like profit taking. We're back on the original consolidation, right? So like but that was the high I wanted to see right there to be swept specifically. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Put a like button on the stream if you like the stream. If you don't like it, don't put anything, right? It's all good. But overall, we'll see you guys next time, and have a good day and good weekend. Bye bye.